Hey, hi all. This is Mahesh Lakde, and my today's topic name is internship. So, why internship required? So, like, first question for internship, why internship are critical and important. You know, 3 years of like a college life equal to 3 months of internship. So, if you proceed the internship with proper mentor, uh, you will get the better idea about what actual job and how we need to behavior in a job. And it is a internship is a relation between two people, with goal of professional and personal development of that intern person. It is a great way to decide what you want to do in your professional life, and it provide exposure to real world who want to do the job in next couple of months or next year, something like that. When you complete it, you will get realize that thing, and you can understand or learn how to use your knowledge or practically apply your knowledge. Like you will get the clear picture on that. Okay. And it is an excellent learning curve for young graduate and student who are meeting in internship. They will meet with new people and make a connection with them, understand the real behavior of culture, software development culture, everything, get clearly understand when we perform or we pursuing our college life. That time you don't get the that much real world idea. So in internship you will get that. There are multiple website where you can secure your internship, intershala.com or LinkedIn, letsintern.com, Hirect India, where you can create your profile and search for internship or apply for internship. So they will there will be chance to you will get the internship. Okay. Also, few things for internship, like it is a bridge, or we can say gap, between learning and finding a career. And it will the process will be speed up whenever you will apply for on that side for internship. Like getting internship is little bit easy job as compared to job, because the company don't need to pay that much for internship. They just want to evaluate the a new person, and they will not think that much for taking for internship. So we will it is a a good idea, or good thing that we'll get the internship easily as compared to job. Another thing, LinkedIn is a great place we can say for getting internship or new job, for fresher or student. They can easily find the people, professional people who are looking for something. They want to do some develop something, and if you have the idea on that, you can approach them. You can send a polite message to them, or try to make a relationship, like you can send message, or anyways you can try to reach them. If you able to reach them, then there will be more chance. And um how can you apply for it? I will go step by step. How can you approach them? So make use of your existing network. For example, you have the in LinkedIn you have few members, like 100 or something, like your your network have 100 people in that. So you can try to increase that. And you can try to reach them who is in your contact, right? You can try to reach them, send polite message, and try, like, ask them like whether you have this opportunity or not. So you can try, like, when you try, so you will, there will be more chance to get the job, but don't cry in that. Second step, you can perform like a, or as I mentioned, you can build your network. So there will be no cost for making increase your network, or add the people in your network. So try to add people in your network. So like it will better reach for you as well. Whenever new connection will be generate, automatically notification generate, and um, along with that, the people get notified, right? So there will be more chance to like your profile will be viewed by them or someone else. uh Also, like, you can perform like a third step, like a scale down your search result. So what is mean by this thing? Though, so add filter to your search for redefine and productive search result, narrowing down the search result from content person's connection. So suppose you have one person and who have a huge network, so you can use that person's profile and try to increase your network. So that is also one chance where you can, like, you can increase your network. Fourth step, you can perform like a personalization. So always try to add connection with personal note. So whenever you add your any connection, that time you can send a note, particular note. So that try to impress that person with note, not junky punky, but you can like try to make sensitive or sensible sentence, make a sensible sentence and send them. So you can do that. And uh, also, fifth step, you can perform like a message or email structure. You can maintain it. Okay, proper message structure you can maintain. Once you connected with the people, you can send the mail or message, and don't give up, don't give up if recruiter do not reply. So see, recruiter have lots of things to do. Okay, so they want to hire, they need to maintain the connection, everything they need to do. Sometime like they will like even notify the something, but due to huge work they can't see, so don't give up for it. So try, you need to try, always, we can say, like multiple try, then you will get the chance of when you try 100 times, then there will be chance of 10 or 20% to reply, you will get the reply. And so these are the things you need to take care all these things. And like another question people face, like how can you reach to recruiter, or how can you contact recruiter? So there are multiple things, and many people are struggling for it, how to reach out to recruiter on LinkedIn. So few steps, like uh make sure you have the right person in your network, and try to increase, as I mentioned, try to increase your network. Don't and you can send the personalized message, as I mentioned, send recruiter or and you can also send message to recruiter or hiring manager specifically with your resume, so there will be chance for internship or job, and you can stay touch with them. Else, like, what happen if you like call today or message today, and you will try to reach them after 1 or 2 months, so everything will be collapsed in that case. So try to try to reach them or touch with them. And actually so all these things if you follow, then there will be much more chance to you will get the internship or job. So thanks for the day. And like, if you have the any question, you can put like a message here and reach out to me. And if you have any better approach for getting internship, please put the message on the same video. Thanks for the day. Bye bye.